Good day, everyone. Welcome back for today's episode of My Teacher Drinks, as I'm working my way through the Difford's Guide Cocktail Hall of Fame. Today's cocktail will be the Bijou, number 27 in our list. Bijou is the French word for gem, and this cocktail gets its name for the three gems that we're going to put into it. Chartreuse being an emerald, gin being a diamond, and sweet vermouth being the ruby. The cocktail was made famous by a bartender named Harry Johnson. He put it in his book from 1900, book called The Bartender's Manual. Harry also, he claimed that he had actually released a number of books. He claimed that his earliest book was released in 1860, which would make it the oldest original cocktail book in print, but no copies of that book have ever been found. So we're going to make the Bijou green chartreuse. I'm going to use Seaside Gin from Sheringham today instead of a London dry gin. Check these guys out from Souk, BC. And of course, you guys know I love my Esquimalt Rosso Vermouth. This is the ex-rye barrels. Those rye barrels, of course, came to us from Stillhead in Duncan. All right, Bijou. I'm going to put it into a Nick Nora glass. And we're going to get this mixed up. It's 25 milliliters of gin, 25 milliliters of vermouth, and 15 milliliters of chartreuse. So, and 1 dash of orange Angostura bitters. 15 milliliters or half an ounce of green chartreuse. There we are. The chartreuse, actually a really, really fascinating story. I don't have time to get into the whole history of chartreuse, but man, these chartreuse has gone through a wild, wild history. I think it's absolutely fascinating. And I might do a whole episode just on chartreuse. If you're interested, let me know down below. I swear to you, it's a story that's worth telling and should be put into a massive documentary. All right, and then 25 milliliters of Seaside Gin. And 25 milliliters of Rosso Sweet Vermouth. There we go. All right, let's get this baby mixed up. There's a bit of a debate that's been going on for, this drink's well over 120 years old. And there's always been debate about how to garnish it. Some say lemon, a lot say cherry. Apparently a few even say olive, which not my thing for a drink like this. But I'm gonna do a Luxardo cherry. Maybe a lemon twist. I don't know. Let's see. Boom. Yeah, let's do a little lemon twist. I'm gonna channel knife just a little short little guy. Like, oh man, the oils are just flying off of these fresh lemons into that drink. It's gonna just brighten it right up. Single Luxardo cherry on there. And there we have the Bijou. Cute as can be. What a gem. See what I did there. Oh man, the chartreuse really shines. 130 ingredients in chartreuse. Legend has it only 2 people in existence know the ingredients. They guard the recipe for chartreuse super tight. So again, yeah, if you want me to do a whole episode on chartreuse history, let me know and I will research the F out of it and we'll do a big one. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching. This is My Teacher Drinks. My name's Brian. This is cocktail number 27 in Difford's Guide Cocktail Hall of Fame, the Bijou. See you guys all again tomorrow. Bye.